Book of Heaven, Volume 12, March 17th, 1921. Jesus makes Luisa pass from the office which his humanity had upon earth to the office which his will had within his humanity. I was saying to my sweet Jesus, I don't know. The more you say you give to me by means of your holy volition, the more wretched and ugly I feel. I should feel better, more good, instead, all the opposite. And Jesus told me,
My daughter, the more the wheat of my will grows in you, the more you will feel the misery of your straw. In fact, when the ear begins to form, wheat and straw are one single thing. But as the life of the ear keeps forming, since the wheat forms, the straw is detached from the wheat and remains only as defense of the wheat. So, the more wretched you feel, the more the wheat of my will keeps forming in you and is closer to perfect maturation. The straw in you is nothing other than your weak nature which, living together with the sanctity and nobility of my will, feels its misery more.
Then he added,
My beloved, up until now you have occupied before me the office which my humanity had upon earth. Now I want to change your office, giving you another one, more noble, more extensive. I want to give you the office which my will had within my humanity. See how much higher, more sublime this is. My humanity had a beginning. My will is eternal. My humanity is circumscribed and limited. My will has no limits and no boundaries. It is immense. A more noble and distinguished office I could not give you.
On hearing this, I said, My sweet Jesus, I cannot give myself a reason why you want to give me such an office, nor have I done anything to deserve such a great favor. And Jesus,
The whole reason is my love, your littleness, your living in my arms like a baby who is concerned with nothing but her Jesus alone. You're not refusing me, ever, any sacrifice that I have asked of you. I do not let myself be impressed by great things, because in the things that are great in appearance there is always something human, but by small things, yet small in appearance, but great in themselves. And besides, you yourself should have understood that I was to give you a special mission in my will, that continuous speaking to you about my will, that making you understand its admirable effects, which I have not done with anyone until now. I behaved with you like a teacher when he wants his disciple to become perfect, whether in medicine or in history or something else. It seems that he cannot speak about anything else. He keeps beating on that point. So I have done with you. I assumed the attitude of teacher of divine will, as if I ignored everything else. After I instructed you well, I manifested to you your mission, and how in you there will take place the beginning of the fulfillment of the fiat voluntas tua upon earth. Courage, my daughter. I see that you lose heart. Do not fear. You will have the whole of my will as your help and support.
and while he was saying this, he marked my head, my face, my heart with his hands, as though confirming in me what he was saying, and he disappeared. Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.